Hi, good morning. So market already just opened. This is the first minute after market opening, and I will see what premium we should select. Anyways, today is a buy on dip market. That is why I am looking at that. See, this is a premium 76,900 call options option premium. We are going to select, and so it is a buy on dip market now. Right, so already market is coming, Sensex index is coming down. We'll plan an entry here. Okay, so premium is trading at 840. This is the entry point now. So 840 is the entry point. We'll take it, and target will be 100 points. Alright, we need not to worry. Why? Because even if it goes down also, we can add more lot. So our research has given us that buy on dips. Okay, what is buy on dips and what is sell on rise? I clearly will explain in coming videos. Okay, so right now it is trading at 850. Okay, so 940 will be the target. So quick movement may not come. Why? Because sometimes it will take time to reach the targets. And further, today it is a Nifty expiry, Nifty index expiry. That also will try to give a range bound situation to the market, but slowly the rally may continue. Yesterday already market rallied, and still today also bullish view is there. Buy on dips. See the time now. It is 9:17. Okay, so we will have to wait till what time. By what time we will reach the target. We'll wait and see, and I can't record continuously this video. Why? Because it will take long time now, so it's waste of time for you as well, myself also. I will update as soon as when it is reaching near our target. See, the now the time is 9:27, and our premium is trading near 900, and 940 is our target. Let us wait and watch. 901, 902. Okay, I will update still after some time. Why? Because it's not moving fast here, right? See, now it is trading at 938. Already made 951 as a target, so our target has achieved here. You see, now time is around 940. Okay, so target has achieved at 940. Already it is made a high of 951. You can see here on the screen, right? Its fluctuation price changes is very slow. Okay, and so this is how we have made our target. See, now the time is 10:20. I'll show you what is the premium. Now see, premium price is made has 1076. It is trading at. And anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see tomorrow.